Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook cover for free using Canva. So we're going to create a Facebook cover for free using Canva. So once you log into Canva online, just go into the menu bar across here until you find Facebook cover, which is here. And the size will be 1640 times 924, which is the correct size for Facebook cover to upload. So once you press select, it will open a blank canvas on there for you. On the left hand side you just select design, and here are some templates that we can use. Also, if you want to do something else, so for example, depends on what your Facebook is talking about. So for example, if we have food, we can just select food, and then we can just choose what we want on there. So we can just select this one, and on here it says fast food restaurant, so we can have the name of your food place, so we can have just have Kiki's food. Again, we can just change the font size however big we want it. And once you select the text, you can move it around and put it on a single line or a double line. So I'd prefer the single line, so we can have this on there too, which is the restaurant, and we can just select it, change the font size on there too. Now this is a small description of what to expect, so I think we can increase the size on this so people will be able to see this better. Again, we can put onto a couple of lines or 3 lines, and again we are able to change this, so we can just select on this and add anything that you want to do. So we can just write burgers on there, for example, if you want to add burgers. So we can have fresh burgers, grilled chicken, special spices, chunky fries, and then we can just move the website to the bottom, drag this down to the bottom as well, and I think that's okay for sizing. Now we can make this slightly larger, and even the book now we can make this slightly larger, the text I think. So once we've done that, we can center line it and then change the text color. I would say probably a red, just to stand out a little bit more. We can change that into white, and we can add some effects if we need to. We can make a lift on the text itself. We can add some outlines, just see whatever looks better in terms of standing out. So I think the outline will make it stand out a little bit more, so we can center line this now. So once that's done, we can add our own pictures on there, or we can use their pictures on there too. So you can change the size of the pictures. You can increase, decrease the size on these, and move the pictures around too. We are able to add other images and elements too, so that's just sort of a fill between the two. You can see it blank here, so you can add your own fill on here as well. So these circles as well, so if you wanted to make them larger or smaller or add them in, you can move it across here too. Okay, so once that's all done, we can add our own website on here as well, and I would recommend you make this slightly larger just so it stands out more. And again, we can just move this across. So that's it. Once all that's done, what we can do now is just, if you're happy with everything, you just press share to save this and download it. Once you've downloaded it, you'll be able to upload it onto your Facebook banner. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.